Alright, so today we'll be setting up a solar camera, intelligent solar camera, and we'll be showing you step by step on how to set up the camera. The camera will need SIM card and memory card. Okay, so we've gotten the SIM card, the memory card, so let's unpack the intelligent camera. Okay, so this is the solar panel. Okay, then this is the so here is the battery. So let's unpack the battery. Okay, so this is the battery for the solar, and then this is the camera. Bring it out. Then the cord, the charging cord, the extension cord, and the stand. Okay, then we have the picker. Alright, so let's start by first of all unscrewing the back of the panel where we have the battery. Okay, so let's begin by fixing the batteries first. These are solar battery. Okay, you check the positive and negative terminals. Alright, so next is for you to carefully tighten up this back of the panel, and then there is an insulator cord. Make sure that the insulator cord is well fixed, so that the essence is for you to prevent water from penetrating the battery. So it has water resistant cord around the edge. Okay, so when you are done screwing the nuts, the next thing you do is to insert the SIM card and then the storage device, that is the memory card. Okay, so first of all you need to put this memory card into your phone and then format the SIM. Format it using the portable storage type, so it can be used on other devices. Format it using the portable storage. It has two options: either to use it on this phone alone or to format it as a portable device. So this will now serve as a flash drive, so it can be used on any device. Don't make mistake on the formatting stick. Okay, so next is for us to, now this is where you insert the memory card and the SIM card too. So this is the slot. You look at the slot, look at the position of the slot to make sure you insert the memory stick well, and the same thing is applicable to the SIM card. Okay, so you make sure you insert the SIM card following. Look at how it's been inserted. You see the direction written on the body. Okay, and when it sticks, there is a connector there that holds it. Okay, close this thing up. So after that, the next stage is for you to connect the device. If you want to extend the device, let's assume the place you are mounting it to be longer, you can use this extension cord. Okay, use the extension cord to connect it else, but for this I'm just going to connect directly to power up the device. Okay, so it's supposed to be connected here. Watch closely, there's a notch that shows where you're going to connect it. There's an indicator here, so look at it. So when it's properly connected like this, next is for you to power on the device. There's on and off button here, just at the back of the panel. Okay, so you turn it on and you watch the camera comes on. Okay, it's trying to search for network. Okay, as soon as this light turns green, it shows that it has gotten the network. So whichever network you put, so the MTN network is active on this device now. Okay, so the next stage is for you to download the application that you're going to use. The application you're going to use to set this up. As you can see, this device is using U-Box application. So you go to your Apple Play Store or your Google Play Store and download this. Okay? So let's quickly download it and then continue the setup. Okay, so while on Google Play Store, you search for U-Box or you scan the barcode. So let's search for the U-Box. U-Box. Okay. Okay, so look at it. I've already downloaded it. So what I just need to do is to open it. You open the app and it will now ask you the state or the country where you are. So as soon as you're here, the first thing you will see is add camera. Okay, so you click on add camera. Okay, it will now ask you to turn up your Bluetooth. You turn up your Bluetooth, allow Bluetooth to be turned up. So it has two options. Either you set it up using Wi-Fi or you use 4G, but this one was setting up a standalone solar cameras with SIM card, so we're using 4G device.
Insert the SIM card, install the camera, install the antenna, then power on the device. The blue LED will light up after about 1 minute. Click Next.
Okay, so you power up the device. See as the device is coming up. So you hold on and the light turns to that dark blue. Okay. Yes, this is stable blue light. So you now go back to application and continue. Click Next.
Scan the QR code on the camera to connect to your phone.
Okay, so here you come to the QR code and scan it. Okay, so as you can see, the camera has been added. So the camera is online, as you can see. You can now rotate the camera and view to whichever location you want. I'll set it to whichever direction you want to set it.